How to copy, paste, and select all in Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can copy, paste, and select all in Android. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So to copy, paste, and select all in your Android, it's pretty simple. So let's just open up a notepad. I'll just show you how you can select all first. So if you're typing something and you want to select everything, just long press and you'll have selected a single word. Now you can drag the selected text and drag it till you select everything. Or if you're just here, you can tap on the select all button right here as well. So doing that, you have selected everything that you have on the text. Now to copy and paste is also simple. Tap on the copy button there and head over to somewhere. So let's say I'll just head over to my Messenger, then head over to a chat, then paste it. So to paste it, long press on the text area and you'll get option to paste it. Tap on paste and then tap on send. So that's how you paste it. It's pretty simple. Long press on the text area and then tap on paste. And it's pretty simple, as I said earlier. Long press on a word and then you can drag it or tap on select all and then you can copy it, cut it, paste it, completely up to you. And yeah, that's how you do it. Now you can do the same for any other messages as well. Long press on the message, you'll find the copy button, tap on copy, and then you can go ahead and paste it somewhere else. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.